Vegas day 2. Let's go. Not that hard tonight.
Show me.
We're about to go pick up the girls. Yeah, see you there. All right, picked up the girls. Woo! We picked up our spirits. We're going to fucking tacos and beer, and we're gonna get some tacos and, you guessed it, margaritas. Oh yeah. What have we done?
I feel like we're gonna die today. Like, you look at this and you just want to throw up.
Post up and start the babysitting super early.
Goddamn, Abe. Carne asada fries, huh?
Oh yeah,
Woo, look at that. There's a 0% chance that I will be shooting that. I will be mixing it into my marg.
Let's do it right today.
Yeah. Alright.
Ooh, let me get in on that.
I hate myself. It's a margarita. So Rocio took one sip of her margarita and gave up already.
Yeah, it was disgusting.
Now it's a double fist.
Just pound it.
Oh my god.
Yeah! And you've got Mother Mary with a taco on her chest just behind you, looking over you.
I'm fucking lit.
So last night, say hi to Myra, everybody. Last night, I apparently switched my phone background to a picture of Naomi Scott, and I woke up this morning and realized it. So, burrito time. What is the chilaquiles?
Chilaquiles.
Nachos?
Nachos. Same thing as Rocio, just with steak. Chilaquiles.
Would you like some?
It's mixed with jalapeno. We peer pressured her into it. Because Rocio gave up.
Yeah, it was. Thank you.
We're done at, sorry, tacos and beer. Paid a lot of money. It was good.
Didn't even notice, no punches that to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so. It's been a long time since you feeling love.
We are on our way
Yourself.
to the pool.
You ain't really think yourself. Tell me what must I do?
So, we're here waiting for the pool. We're waiting for the girls to show up so we can go to the pool. You know, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. So when in Vegas, get drunk. It's gonna be a day. Back on the regular cam. The pool is closed at fucking 6, even though it's summer. It's 135 degrees outside. So we're heading back to the room. It'll be sweet. Let's go. Walking back to the room. Look at the lights, dude. They're flickering like we're in fucking doctor's sleep.
We did our little pool session. We did it.
Okay, I'm drunk because I can't feel my tongue or my lips.
Rosie's asleep already.
How the fuck are you gonna get me up to our room?
Guys, do we have enough time to get to Hell's Kitchen?
Does it matter?
The girls are back. We honestly thought they ditched us. Jesus!
We're back within like probably 10 minutes.
Cool.
I'm just trying to put on regular clothes. Is that okay?
I'm not gonna tell you to not put on clothes. No, stay in your bikini.
Okay, we'll be right back. Very, very quick trip.
All right, see you tomorrow. We'll see you guys in a minute. We'll see you tomorrow. My little frozen drink from the pool that I paid far too much fucking money for. Whatever, it's Vegas.
The alcoholic is here.
What time is it?
Get lit.
Nap time.
That's
It's shot o'clock, Rosia.
No, it's nap time.
kiss me on this wet ass pussy. Not make it
I just love your reaction.
wet ass pussy. Look, I need a hard hit. I need.
So anyway, and then I was wait. Did you guys just hear that at the door?
Is there someone at the door?
I think so.
The fuck? Excuse me! Let me see. Okay.
Did you dent the fucking wall?
No, we're good. Let me find out there's someone knocking on the door repeatedly and fucking with Joey. I will fuck someone up. Ooh, I threw that door so damn hard.
You turned into fucking Meg Thee Stallion, dude. You're a savage. All right, we're about to officially play Rocio's song request.
All right, hold up.
Mid turn up.
Wait, this is so fucking lit.
Let me vibe with the camera on. I'm a professional vlogger.
Professional vlogger.
I'm a professional. I got paid 1 penny last year. So it's come to my attention that Rocio thinks I can't chug this.
Actually, I didn't say. I said once upon a time he was a hoe.
I can chug this because Chug Norris. So
I just don't want to stumble.
Dang. And it's done. What do you have to say about that, bitch? My shit's a little strong, so I don't know if
yeah, you poured a fucking shot of vodka into
I did.
nothing.
Oh. Well, damn.
You're like, I have a sip left. Let me vodka this shit up.
All right, guys, let's go get pizza.
So we just got food and we just got back into the room. Rocio's chilling. She's happy. The only downside is that Desiree's here. I'm just kidding. But if you look at her feet, it's because she looked at me and she said, Joey, fuck you, and knocked the beer bottle out of my hand.
So we're little fucking liars now, okay.
I thought it would be a good idea to balance the fucking Heineken bottle on my pizza box. Well, no. I knew it wouldn't be a good idea, but it didn't anyway. It just so happened that I dropped the beer bottle and I spilled it. It didn't break. It's right here, it's mostly foam. I lost about 75% of it, which is whatever. I only paid $9 for a single bottle of beer. I could have gone to Total Wine yesterday and spent that for a whole 6-pack. So anyway, we're gonna eat some dinner. I'm gonna drink 1/8 of a beer and we'll figure it out. We'll see you like later. Alright, so I broke off from the squad for a bit. I'm gonna go to my niece Izzy's 21st birthday party, which is pretty cool. My sister and her family, they all live here in Vegas, so it just so happened that we were visiting Vegas on the date of her actual 21st birthday, which is tonight. It's gonna be super cool. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to say. You'll see me there. Alright, so I'm here at the Golden Tiki. I'm at the table that my sister Heather reserved. Apparently it's a total surprise that I'm gonna be here. I mean, I have this on Snapchat, so maybe she saw that I'm in the city. Got her a Blue Lagoon ready to go. Got myself a Mai Tai. Just Mai Tais, can't go wrong. Yeah, we'll see them when they get her.
Oh my god!
Surprise!
Hi!
Hey, happy birthday! 21!
Oh my god!
What's up, baby?
What's up, man?
What's up with this spot, though?
I know, right?
Straight up Irish go, bro.
It's pimp, dude.
Hi!
Hey.
Hello, hello.
Ready? Oh, I was like, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
One, two, three.
One, two, three.
Yeah, dude. Southeast School, man.
Watch out,
Great, are you there? I'm in Osteria.
Keep going. Can't wait to hear
Lots of 151 about.
Last night.
Oh, come on.
And
I know my parents.
top of the palm, which I was there.
So it's super important to make sure you blow that out before you start. I can't see it. I know.
Birthday drink.
What is this? That's amazing. Yeah, that's a Navy grog. It's our strongest one.
Izzy's gonna lose her shit.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be fun. Yeah.
Amazing.
So this is a wonderful selection of tropical fruits, tropical rums, and all sorts of goodness. Here, if I can.
Oh, God, thanks,
All right, now
Izzy,
we
yeah.
got this lit. We gotta have a little more fire here. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh. Oh! Yeah.
That's why I love Adam Rain. I don't really dress like this. I just work.
I love that smell. Like the smell and all that. Just the
It smells amazing. Yeah.
fucking fumes and spice. Fuels and spice. Yes. Christmas.
There you go, Bella.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Everybody there.
You gotta take a picture.
I'm roasting the COVID away. There you
Yeah.
go. See, good
Oh
seeing
my
you
God,
guys.
Joey, your drink is
Yeah,
still on
dude.
fire.
Enjoy it.
That's amazing.
Yeah, do I just blow that out? Oh, it's blown out. Look at that.
That's so pretty. I've never actually ate a flower, but I feel like I should. I feel like I should too. You know?
You can.
Well, Adam said he doesn't, so I feel like I'm.
Yeah, I always go with what Adam does.
It's a rolling scale, you have edible, you know?
Cheers to Izzy's 21st, yeah?
This is really good, you guys. I knew he just turned 16. I think I saw on
Yum. Have you tried it yet?
No. Let me try it.
Before I freaking started crying.
Oh my God.
Looks good.
Doesn't taste like alcohol at all. That's dangerous.
It's dangerous.
Oh, that's a big whale.
Sorry.
I can't believe it's 21.
Oh my God.
We're about to do shots.
Excellent. Tomorrow, when somebody asks you how the birthday is going, I hope the answer is I don't remember.
Okay.
All right?
What time is it? It's shot o'clock.
I'm not here to get you. That's the dangerous part of drinking.
Alright, Izzy's got the Scooby snack.
It's like tropical melon.
Cheers, happy birthday!
Thank you, Adam. Am I gonna eat these shrimp? Yeah.
What time is it?
I don't know. Oh,
I'll tell you.
I was looking at my phone. I don't know.
I'll tell you. It's shot o'clock.
I love the 70s R&B right now.
How you doing? This is Lemon Love Las Vegas. Proceeds go to support out of work service industry members. Thank you for your support.
Thank you.
I'm gonna sign this bad boy.
Woo! Joey. Authentic.
Thank you, man.
Hey, thank you, man.
Appreciate you, bro.
Thank you,
Thank you very much. Much appreciated.
Thank you, bro. Nice to meet you. Happy birthday.
Sip shot.
Did the video already. Take it. Take it. Take it.
So you will be like, never again, never. No.
Yeah, go for it. Woo!
And if I was drinking,
All right, we're officially ending the Izzy 21st celebration. Woo! Even said hi ho with the song. Hi ho. Hi ho. It's your birthday.
We gonna party like
It's your birthday.
party like it's your birthday.
You know that we don't give a fuck. It's not your birthday. So my family just dropped me off. I'm back at the Luxor. There's the Sphinx. There's the pyramid. It's a fun night. It was great surprising Izzy for her birthday. I think I'm going to bed. All right. I think it's gonna be the end of the Vegas vlog because all the cards are filled up and I have nowhere to dump the footage. So it's been fun. Thank you for watching and joining. And my voice is just destroyed. So Vegas.